I just posted a video about the notice that was served to me, and the fact that the one that was mailed said that it was served on the 27th. Now I want you to take a note of the one that was mailed to me by the Sheriff's Department, and it was mailed to me, come on, get in focus, come on, you can do it, there you go, 7/1/2022. It was stated on here, let's see if we can get this in focus, that it was served on June 27th, 2022. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's not signed. It wasn't served. This is a blank proof of service that was supposed to be served to me by these people that was already stamped and signed into court without ever having been served. You see this? Now, this is the actual document that had been served. Again, it was pre-stamped the 27th. Let's get that in there. Of July by the courts. So it was entered into court as having been served on June 27th. I'm trying to get there. You go. That's a court stamp. Yet the officer who served it wrote 6/29/2022. And he put it in my mailbox, so I didn't get it. So he physically gave it to me or went and got it out on the 30th. But I'm not disputing one day. But I am going to dispute a 4-day discrepancy or 3-day discrepancy on a 5-day notice. It makes a big difference on when the document needed to be responded to in court. So this is just more. I can't even read what that says. Oh, and he even says he put it in the mailbox because gate was locked and the wind would blow the note off. You can't put anything in anybody's mailbox unless you're a U.S. postal worker. No one can touch a mailbox. But just to show that everything about the service of this 5-day notice was just not right. But since when or what planet does the court stamp a blank document? Here's a copy of it. That has not been served or anything as if it had been served before it is served. It just goes to show how crooked these people are. They knew the document hadn't been served, but they stamped a date on it so that the time would start ticking before I could even receive the document or respond to the document so that they could try to confiscate the property because I didn't respond, because there's no legal way they can take the property. We are the legal owners. And even with this bullcrap, we can still appeal it. But just to show how shady and all the little scams and tricks and games that these people keep trying to play to try to circumvent the law and to try to steal the property. No, you're not getting my property. I will hold you up in court, your asses in court for the next 50 years if I have to. You're not stealing nothing of mine. But just the audacity. And again, on what flipping planet does a document, especially one proof of service, this is what this is. I'm not required to be out of the premises. These are my premises. I own the property. We already went to court last month and the judge told her she can't file me any tenancy thing. I'm not a tenant. And then here she comes right again. The judge told her very clearly that if she wanted me off the property, she needed to file foreclosure if she felt that I owed her any money or any monies on the property. This was a sale. I am no one's tenant. But just to show all the little tricks and games that these people keep trying to go through. And this is fraudulent, and it shows fraudulent, even fraud on the court's behalf. Because again, on what planet does a court sign any unlawful detainer or any other type of document with no signature or proof of service on it and enters it into court records as if it had been properly served? This is bullshit. And I've already filed with the Department of Justice about this mess.